Robert Lawrence Kuhn, chairman of Kuhn Foundation, has said that historians will hail the China proposed Belt and Road Initiative as something of significance for our era.
The Belt and Road Initiative is the first and primary strategic engagement that China has brought to the world. It is a remarkable and absolutely essential element, and I've said historians 1,000 years from now will look back and will circle the Belt and Road Initiative as something of significance for our era today.
Kuhn said the BRI leverages China's unequaled experience and competitive advantages in constructing infrastructure which developing countries need the most.
So the Belt and Road Initiative is the foundation to build infrastructure in countries. No country in the world has anywhere near the experience and success that China has in building infrastructure. Rail, high-speed rail, ports, airports, telecommunications, power plants. I mean, these are all the first stage requirements for development of any kind, certainly industrial development, and improving the standards of living of the people of the countries.